Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Block study into 50-minute focus sessions, followed by a 10-minute break. Use the Pomodoro-like rhythm to protect concentration and avoid fatigue by standing and stretching during breaks. Schedule 3 high-focus sessions in the morning and 2 in the afternoon for core topics like anatomy, physiology, and pathology. Reserve one 90-minute session each day for active recall using practice questions and spaced repetition flashcards. End each day by planning the next day. List 3 priorities, estimate time needed, and assign specific topics to each session. Use active recall with flashcards and practice questions for 30 to 60 minutes per topic to strengthen memory and long-term retention. After self-testing, immediately review incorrect items and re-encode them into spaced repetition software. Teach a peer or an imaginary student for 10 to 15 minutes to reveal gaps in understanding and to practice clinical explanations. Create one-page concept maps linking mechanisms, symptoms, and treatments for each disease to compress information into memorable relationships and to speed clinical reasoning. Simulate exams with timed question blocks of 40 to 80 items under realistic conditions to build stamina and pacing skills. Review performance by topic and reintroduce weak areas into the spaced repetition queue. Focus corrective sessions on the lowest 20% of topics that cause most errors. Aim for consistent sleep of 7 to 8 hours and short naps of 20 to 30 minutes when needed to consolidate memory. Limit passive review to 20% of study time and prioritize practice questions and spaced repetition for efficient progress.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.